Today, I'm going to teach you how to print a selected area in PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you only need a specific portion of a document like a chart, image, or section of text without printing the entire page. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to all your PDF files and the full suite of tools that Adobe Acrobat Pro offers. After logging in, navigate to Recent Files. This is where you'll find the PDF file you want to work with. Go ahead and select the document from which you want to print a selected area. The file will open in the main viewing window, ready for you to begin. Now that your PDF is open, look at the upper left toolbar. Click on Menu, and from the drop-down options, select Undo, Redo, and More. This menu contains several handy tools, but for our purpose today, we need to click on Take a Snapshot. This tool allows you to capture a specific portion of your PDF, which is exactly what we need to isolate the area we want to print. Once you've activated the Snapshot tool, your cursor will change, indicating that you're ready to select an area. Click and drag a rectangle around the section of the PDF you want to print. Be precise with your selection to ensure you capture exactly what you need, whether it's a table, paragraph, or image. After you've selected the area, click OK. This confirms your selection and prepares it for printing. Next, return to the upper left toolbar and click on Menu again. This time, select Print from the drop-down options. This will open the Print dialog box, where you'll configure how you want to print your selected area. Here's the crucial step. Make sure to click the circle beside selected graphic. This ensures that only the area you captured with the snapshot tool will be printed, rather than the entire page or document. Once you've selected that option, click Print. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose where you want to save the file on your computer. Select the folder that makes the most sense for your workflow, whether it's your desktop, documents folder, or a specific project folder. If you'd like to rename the file to something more descriptive, now's the time to do it. This helps keep your files organized and easy to find later. Finally, click Save. The selected area of your PDF will now be printed to the location you specified. You've successfully isolated and printed just the portion of the document you needed, saving paper and focusing only on what matters. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.